Hi Drasso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Lincoln from the Loud House. So let's get started. To draw Lincoln, let's first start by drawing a curve that's above his eyes. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a soft curve, nice and even. And I'm going to find the center, so center right here, and about right here I'm just going to come and draw an oval. So big oval all the way back, and another one. So this being my center, I'm going to come right here to start the other oval. But before I finish that oval, let's come back right here in the center and I'm going to draw his nose. So right in this area, I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve for his nose. Then let's continue this oval and the other side. There, so that's what we want to start with. And if you're using a pencil, it would be much easier just to go ahead and just draw the oval first, then the hair, and then the nose. But like I said, because I'm using a Sharpie, I can't erase as easily, so that would be the way to go. Okay, so then let's come back in here and about this area right here towards the center, I'm going to draw another oval. And I'm going to give it a little circle right here and then shade the rest in for a highlight. And same thing here. So right towards the center, draw another oval, give it a little highlight, and shade everything else in. Then from there, let's come underneath and we're going to give him a smile. So slightly more upwards on this side. So let's come about right here, right underneath his nose, and I'm just going to draw this curve. Comes to about right there. Let's cap it off. And his teeth. So about right here, I'm just going to draw this curve, and it kind of goes in and out and then back. Then now let's figure out his hair. So I'm going to, using this curve right here, I'm going to continue it out a little bit more, just making it longer. And it's come about right here. I'm just going to give it a little strand of hair, so curve and come out. So I'm going to do this on this side. I'm just going to come out about the same area, so about right here. So I'm kind of even on both sides. Then I'm going to come on this side right here and draw another curve and a curve. So I'm starting to frame his face. So about using the same amount of space on this side to this side, I'm going to come about right here and do the same thing. So I just want to be able to frame his face so that I can go ahead and draw this big curve. So now that we're pretty even, I'm going to come right here and just connect. All the way to bottom, big curve, and connect. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and finish this. So we're going to just continue up. For his head, and then let's go right here. And this part right here is not going to be as high. It's going to be a little bit flatter. And down. So his head is basically kind of like an oval, a big oval. So then let's come back right in this area and we're going to draw his ears. Just come out with this big curve because he does have big ears. And for the inside, we're going to draw a curve and then another curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here and here. Oops. Okay, that's fine. So then come right here and here as well. The curve for the inside of this ear. And then he also has hair that's coming out. So continuing this curve, I'm going to come out and draw these 3 strands. So it's just 3 curves and then just loop it back. Oh, you know what? Actually, it goes this way, huh? Sorry. It comes down, not out. And then let's see here. Let's draw some details. Let's draw his eyebrow. So let's come to the top right here, pretty high up. And we're just going to draw this curve that comes down. And same thing on the other side. And now for some more details, let's come around his eye area. We're just going to draw a soft curve. And then he has these freckles. So just 3 dots on both sides. And let's see here, what else are we missing? Oh, and then if you like, you can draw some strands, just really lightly for his hair. Or you can do that when you're coloring. And that is pretty much it for his head. So now, oh no, one more thing. On this side right here, he has these 2 curves that come out. So right here and here, before I forget. There, now we're done. Okay, so now to draw his body, right in the center. It's very thin, so about right there, I'm going to bring this down. And then let's work on the inside. So come here and we're going to start to draw details for his shirt. A little circle in here for a button. And then his collar. And let's bring this down more. About right there, I'm going to go ahead and curve. Go in, out, and continue the curve. Then at the bottom for his pants, we're just going to go in here and connect it with a curve. And for some details right here in the center, and then his legs. So in the center once again, we're just going to bring this out. About right there, and then we're going to come right here and thicken it up so it gets slightly thicker towards the end. And then we'll just go ahead and connect it. And then for his shoes, I'm going to bring them out, so come out all the way, round it off, straight down right here and connect. So same thing here. Down, come out, and connect. And then for some details, draw another curve right here for the sole, and come in here to draw some details. There, so same thing on this side. And cuties, I hope I'm not going too fast, but if I am, please just pause the video and I hope that helps. Oops, curve, and then same thing like the other side. Round this off a little bit more so it's not too sharp. Okay, yay, so we're done with his feet. Now his arms. So I'm having one arm on his hip and one that's just hanging out straight down. So let's come right here and we're going to draw his sleeve coming out, connect, and then we're going to bring his elbow, so come right here, come zigzag down. The skinny arms, so let's go straight down, and then right about here, I'm going to curve it out and give it 3 curves and bring it in. Then you can come in here for some detail. Bring some lines in for his hand. And then this side is going to come down to about the same length. So say about right here. And skinny arms once again, and about right there. Let's go ahead and curve it out. And once again, 1, 2, 3, and connect back. and then just draw 2 soft lines right there. And that is pretty much it for Lincoln here, except let's see, where can we put a heart on Lincoln here? You know what, I'm just gonna stick it right here. So now he's my Lincoln from the Loud House. And if you love these Loud House characters, I also drew Lola, and I definitely plan to draw more, so definitely let me know in the comments below what other characters you want me to draw. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't already, so that you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.